parties disagree about whether the child should be going to religious school, or the parties are different religions, the court is not going to decide what religion your child will be exposed to and practice. Maybe a court will, courts generally do not like to touch religion decisions at all if it's an issue, but if it's really important to two parents that they come to some sort of agreement on which holidays will be celebrated, or whether a child's going to be allowed to be enrolled in religious school or go through certain religious rituals and stuff like that, like really kind of specific things, ADR is going to be a better option for them, because first of all, in an ADR context, they can spend hours upon hours discussing the details of each sort of religious ritual and how it will be addressed within that family. But also through ADR, the parties can reach and can, in theory, come to an agreement on those issues, and a court is not going to make those types of rulings about a child's religious practices. So if it's important to both parties that an issue like that be addressed, it's really to their advantage to find a way to reach an agreement without going to court, because they're just not going to have their needs addressed by going to court. And I will say that a good co-parenting therapist is great at coming up with really out of the box solutions for families that ideally make everybody feel like it's a win. It's not always possible. That's a very idealistic answer, and sometimes that just isn't possible, but I've seen it many times where a good co-parenting counselor can come up with a really customized proposal for a family that is really child-centered, and that both parties walk out of there feeling like, wow, I was heard, and this addresses my needs. I'm satisfied with the outcome. And that's a great and really effective way of getting to a creative situation. A creative solution when people have a stalemate and just can't reach an agreement otherwise.